is Betty and I am the creator of this channel. I share motherhood and lifestyle videos, but today I decided to do something different and have a little bit of fun in this channel, and I decided to make this. And I decided to join this $5 DIY challenge from Dollar Tree, and I am amazed how this turned out. And this is actually an open collaboration hosted by CLUELESS Mama D and RIA'S World of Ideas. Thank you, ladies, for creating this $5 Dollar Tree challenge, and I am so happy and glad I decided to join this very last minute. And there's going to be a collaboration playlist linked down below so that you guys can check out the rest of the creators who decided to join this $5 DIY, who decided to join this $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. It's just so hard to say D. But yeah, so please give it a like to this video if you love Dollar Tree and if you love doing DIYs from Dollar Tree, especially if they are $5 or less. So if you are new to my channel, I hope this video motivated you to click that subscribe button. If not, hopefully at the end of this video you do click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out any future videos to come. So let me show you how I made this. Let me just let you guys know that this is my first DIY ever. So I was trying to cut it with scissors, but I couldn't get it through because I didn't even know these fake flowers had like a wire inside. I thought they were just easily snapped. And so I ended up asking my husband for some pliers, and I did not know how to use them. So he was trying to teach me how to use it and telling me like how to use it and everything. And while I was trying to do that, I ended up poking myself with one of these wires. And I did not even know, like, these wires are sharp. So I'm just gonna speed up this process so that I don't bore you guys trying to take off all the flowers. But like I said, just get any of flowers that you like and decorate it and put it around the wreath as however it is that you want it to look. And I decided not to use glue or any type of adhesive for this wreath because I plan to reuse this throughout the year as the seasons go by, and if I feel like I want to change the look, I can easily just take everything without having to buy everything all over again. I decided to just thread it in, and it stuck pretty well because at the end of it I did a shake test and it didn't, nothing fell off. So I'll show you the rest without me talking so that I don't bore you guys. So then just keep on watching. I was just playing around a lot with this DIY. I wanted to see if maybe making a braid will look nice, so it wouldn't just be a string, but I didn't end up liking the braid, so I ended up taking that off, and I just went straight with just a simple thread, and that is it. So I hope you guys like the way this turned out. Let me know how I did on this first DIY with this $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. And if you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. If you are interested in my channel, I would love it if you would stick around and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget that this is a collaboration, so there will be a playlist link down below for you guys to go check out the rest of the creators who participated in this $5 Tree DIY challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Adios.